What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to bring to your attention something that is a lot more different. A lot more different? A lot different than what I normally cover on my channel. And this is all by chance. I did not plan this at all, this purchase. So, what I'm talking about is going to be the Samsung Music Frame. The model is going to be the LS60D. What is this thing? Because I didn't even know what this thing was. Let me go ahead and put some pictures and just talk through this with you guys. So what this is, and its bare necessity, is going to be a wireless smart speaker for your home. Think of something like the full-size HomePod. I'm going to flash a couple of pictures on here for you guys to see. The full-size HomePod from Apple, meaning that you can use this to stream music. You can use this as part of a mini theater setup. You can use this for part of wall decor with this one in particular. That's right. This particular item, you can put your own pictures of a 8x8 or an 8x10 picture, print it out, put in there. So it's wall decor. It's a smart speaker. It's a part of a home theater system. It is just awesome. Now, in case you're wondering, how much does this cost? This is going to get you in the game at $319.99 currently on Samsung's website. That's not like cheap. I know like you got the HomePod minis. I think they're called HomePod minis, right? The HomePod minis for like $99. But let me just tell you something. In the tech game, y'all know what it is, right? You got to pay to play. So $319 can sound like a lot, but when you compare it to the HomePod at $299 right now as I'm making this video, it's not bad. And let me tell you again, I'm an Apple person and I'm part of the Android world as well. I've owned both. And I'm just going to tell you my unbiased opinion is this Samsung Music Frame, this smart speaker, blows the HomePod out of the water. Clarity, bass, the sheer volume that this is able to put out blows the HomePod out of the water. Now, let me just tell you guys a couple of other things that you can do with this, okay? So I'm on Samsung's website. I'm going to probably flash a couple pictures on here for you guys to be able to follow along with some of this. But of course, the design is customizable. Now, what that means is you can put your own picture in there or you can leave the art that it comes with, which is pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys a couple pictures of how that looks. Dolby Atmos. This is going to have that Dolby Atmos capability. I already mentioned the volume, the treble, the bass, the clarity. This is classified as a wide range speaker with wide range speaker technology. It's Wi-Fi, it's Bluetooth. So this is going to be something really awesome, guys. And I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but this was included in my purchase of another Samsung soundbar. I did an unboxing video and I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put it on YouTube or not yet because it's kind of cheesy. For the TV, I bought a Samsung TV and a Samsung soundbar. But this was included free as part of my purchase when I bought a Samsung soundbar. So it wasn't even on my radar. I wasn't even thinking about buying a home smart speaker. But we already mentioned. Let me get back to it. Okay, I'm getting offline. I'm gonna go read you guys from the Samsung website. So again, multi-directional surround sound. Showcasing your favorite art. Now you can wirelessly connect to your music frame via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and stream all your music to it without an issue. Now I've tried it with both my Samsung and my iPhone. Seamless integration, no hiccup, no issues. It's got, again, panoramic sound. That's hard to say. From anywhere in the room. So it does have wide range speaker technology. And I can attest to you guys, it sounds balanced, it sounds clear. It is awesome. Let me just tell you a little bit of the integration, the smart integration. Now, when it comes to the HomePod, obviously I know that works with Apple. I don't think it works with, so yeah, it works with Siri and the Apple Home integration. But with this Samsung smart speaker, check it out, y'all. So not only does it obviously work with Samsung, let me just give you the list here. So when it comes with this Samsung music frame speaker, Alexa, it's going to have Alexa built in. It's going to work with Google Home. It's going to work with Chromecast and AirPlay. So it doesn't matter what ecosystem you are part of, this thing is going to work with it. So that's kind of the streaming different things and the smart integration part of it. Now, I may or may not have mentioned, because guys, this is unscripted, or I'm just giving you guys some stuff off the cuff. But you can actually use this as part of the home theater system setup for you guys. So if you're part of that Samsung world, especially, you can use this as part of their Q Symphony technology. What is Q Symphony technology? It is just a way to use your speakers, wireless speakers, Samsung home theater system, and your TV speakers to create a more immersive sound. That's the short and skinny of it. So this is going to have Q Symphony integration as well. And something that I just found out, you can sync this up to as many as 5 music frames at once. So you can have these throughout your house if you got like a lot of money. So 319 bucks times 5, that's a lot of money to be able to stream music throughout your house. Again, it does have that Dolby Atmos capability. So to be able to create that very immersive 3D sound, which is really cool. Another thing that it has is going to be audio optimized for your space. They call that Space Fit Sound Pro. And essentially the speaker will calibrate to the room or the specific area that you're in to give you the most optimized audio, which is really cool. It's going to have adaptive sound to give you really clear lyrics and dialogue, like if you're watching a show or listening to music. You know how with the iPhone, you can just walk up to a HomePod Mini or a HomePod, tap your phone, and then essentially it will do a handoff of music that you're listening to. Same thing with this. So it says tap sound. Streaming music from your phone or your music is as simple as a tap. Just tap the music frame with your phone, Samsung, of course, and it will hand off that music to it. It's going to be part of that Smart Things ecosystem. So again, kudos if you're part of that Samsung world. It's going to work perfectly for you. Let me see here. That's basically it, guys. That's everything that I can read about this. Last thing, it won a 2024 Design Award from IF, and it's the top innovation from Rolling Stone 2024. Guys, that was a lot of different stuff. I rambled for quite a bit. Hopefully you guys stayed with me. But you can see, again, this is unscripted. My videos are unscripted. How excited I am for something that I didn't expect to get this Christmas or get this holiday season. But I wanted to make this video to let you know how awesome this speaker is, how good it sounds. And that way, if you're considering getting a smart speaker rather, you might want to consider this Samsung music frame because of not only being a smart home speaker that sounds freaking phenomenal, blows the HomePod out of the water, but it has so many uses, so many integrations, and it's so much more compatible across the board than anything that Apple's got right now. So, in summary, holy crap, freaking awesome. Check it out, guys. Treat yourself this holiday season, right? YOLO, right? You only live once. 319 bucks is a lot, but hey, let the next person worry about, I don't know, paying it off or something, okay? Enjoy it. Treat yourself for something that was totally unexpected, guys. So really appreciate you guys. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Hopefully you walked away with something from this video, from me just kind of sharing my experience with this totally unexpected item. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for listening. Hope you have an amazing holiday season or an amazing December, or whenever you're watching this video. Really, really check out and consider this music frame smart speaker from Samsung. It's legit. It's your boy Bobby G. I'm out. Thanks, guys. Peace.